All right, as we inch through the first week of March, we are seeing some temperatures that feel a little bit more like spring on the 7-day forecast.
Incrementally better, but
Yeah.
as the temperatures do start to warm, that also means snow is going to melt, ice is going to melt. Meteorologist Aaron Myler is here to talk about the concerns that come with this mass melting if it happens kind of all at once, for sure.
Exactly. As we're on a warming trend right now, that warming trend is setting in and we have a spring storm that's going to bring rain to the forecast. Now with that, the risk of ice jams increases. But first, what exactly is an ice jam? An ice jam forms when warmer temperatures start breaking up the ice on rivers, causing chunks of ice or ice floes to float downstream. These ice floes can become lodged in tighter or curved areas, blocking the flow of water and potentially leading to flooding. Now, ice thickness varies across the state at the moment, with some areas seeing over a foot of ice, while others have just a few inches. Looking ahead to the next few days, there are a few key factors to keep an eye on. First, temperatures are expected to remain well above freezing, with some areas possibly flirting with the 50s. But on top of that, we're expecting over an inch of rain. That will fall on a snowpack that's nearly ready to melt, and with the ground still frozen, all that water has nowhere to go but into our rivers, raising the water level. Now here's some good news. In northern Maine and in the Central Highlands, the snowpack is cold enough to absorb much of that rainfall and compact the snow. That means minimal snowmelt, which helps prevent rivers from rising dramatically downstream. The caveat to all of this, though, is that ice jams are notoriously difficult to predict. This time around, the amount of rain we get will play a role in how much the ice holds. In the studio, meteorologist Aaron Myler, News Center, Maine.